We make something called a compost extract, where we're extracting a lot of the microbes that are in the compost into a liquid form, and then we then water our garden with that compost extract, and sort of that helps to really efficiently re-inoculate microbes back into our garden. It's really easy to make. You can also use your hands to make it. Yeah, basically you just take a bunch of the compost that you've made, then throw it in some water.
So one giant handful.
One giant handful per one bucket of water. We are not precise. I don't think for at home you really have to be that precise.
Yeah, but you can really quickly see that the the water starts to become kind of brownish.
Yeah, dark
already.
brown color. And that's, that your compost is full of good stuff like fulvic acids, humic acids, and the microbes are in there as well. One way you can do it is just try to massage the compost with your hand. But we have found out that using a paint mixer, it really helps to get the good stuff out of the compost.
Yeah. So this is just your garden variety paint mixer that you can purchase at your local construction store, and this is just a normal drill. So nothing super specific, and you just need to use non-chlorinated water. So if you're at home,
That's right.
if you don't have a chlorine filter, you can leave out your water in the sun for 24 hours, just one day, and that will the chlorine will kind of evaporate. So that's one easy way to do it. But all you need to do is put some of your compost. You can buy a biologically active compost, or you can use vermicompost as well, or any compost you have. So you want to do that for 3-4 minutes, and the kind of microbes from it will go into the liquid form. And half a bucket like this with this much compost is good for more than enough for 1 acre. So if you make this much for your home garden, that's really good. You just take a bucket. You can either dilute it with water. It's 1 to 10. So this half bucket will make about 5 buckets of compost extract that you can spread. Or if you have a small container, you can just you can put it into your plants very easily. There's no real set system, just really do what you can.
Yeah. One fun thing is that you can even add additional foods for the microbes to your compost extract before you use it in your garden. A little bit of kelp, a little bit of whatever.
Yeah. If you have access to fish amino or fish hydrolysate, that's good.
Yeah, that'll really kickstart the microbial activity.
Some rock powders, if you have. You can really tailor it to what you need. Another fun thing that you can do with this is you can also spray it onto the leaves of the plants. And you don't really have to make compost teas. Even compost extracts work when you spray it onto the leaf surfaces. So if you have a lot of pest and disease issues that you're facing, just filter this with a paint bag and then put it into your backpack sprayer or a little bottle and spray the leaves. And you'll see that over time, the kind of pest and disease issues would come down. If you're adding it to kind of your garden, and if you're not using vermicompost, then you can do it quite regularly because you're really adding the biology back.
Once a week.
Once a week is good.
Once a week's a good amount of time, yeah.
But if you're using kind of vermicompost, it's a bit more potent. So maybe thrice in a season is more than enough because you might be over adding the nutrients.